Is Shopify Plus worth it? Key differences. Shopify Plus offers several advanced features, including lower transaction fees, a dedicated account manager, unlimited staff accounts, more API integrations, advanced customization options, automated promotions, multi-currency selling, and exclusive apps. Recommended revenue threshold. It is advised to upgrade to Shopify Plus once your business achieves an annual revenue of at least $1 million. Upgrading before reaching this threshold might not be financially justifiable. Standard Shopify plans. Shopify's standard plans provide sufficient tools for businesses to scale and grow. They offer various essential features and are designed to cater to the needs of small to medium-sized businesses. Considerations. Before making the decision to upgrade to Shopify Plus, it's crucial to assess your business's financial standing and growth projections. Ensure that the advanced features of Shopify Plus align with your business's specific requirements and goals. While Shopify Plus offers an array of advanced functionalities and benefits, it's essential to evaluate whether your business has reached the revenue threshold that justifies the cost of the upgrade. Shopify's standard plans are comprehensive and offer ample tools for business growth, making them suitable for businesses that haven't yet reached the revenue level required for Shopify Plus. Hope this video helps you, mate. I really appreciate you watched till the end. Thanks for watching.